So hello all my dear students. So we are back here again with one more short video. In this video I'm going to show you the acidic character of the alcohols and phenols. This is a very important question. In the board exam this question can be asked for 2 marks in the exam. Right? So it can be asked in the short answers in the section B. Right? So let's understand what is the acidic character. For understanding the acidic character, we have to first understand that what is acid. See, acid is nothing but tendency to donate the H plus ions. Right? जिसका टेंडेंसी सबसे ज्यादा है H plus ions डोनेट करने का, वो सबसे ज्यादा एसिडिक होगा. राइट? सो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द अल्कोहल्स एंड फिनॉल्स. सो व्हेन वी कंपेयर विद द अल्कोहल्स and phenols, what happens? See, I will compare and I will show you. See, in the case of alcohols, this particular alcohol, the structure is ROH and the structure is AROH. Right? So this is the phenyl group, right? You all know phenyl group, aromatic group. Okay, so here you can see the structure ROH and AROH. This AR is nothing but the phenyl group over here. So phenyl and OH group, right? Okay, let me first tell you that between the alcohols and phenols, which is the more acidic in the nature. So here I would like to tell you that the phenol is more acidic, phenol is more acidic in a nature compared to the alcohols. तो ये हमको सबसे पहले देखना है कि फिनॉल क्यों सबसे ज्यादा एसिडिक है अल्कोहल से. राइट? सो हियर वी कैन से ROH और वी कैन से AROH is highly acidic compared to ROH. Right? So this is very important. So let's see why this happens. See, here in the case of a structure of ROH, I will split this and I will write. See, this particular R is the electron donating group. Electron donating group. We know that the alkyl CH3 alkyl groups are a very good donating groups. So this will donate the electron to this particular oxygen and it will decrease the electronegativity on oxygen. So this particular removal of this proton or hydrogen will be always difficult in the case of alcohols. अभी इसके केस में देखो, फिनाइल के केस में क्या है? It is totally opposite. It is the electron withdrawing group. Donating मतलब जो देगा, withdrawing मतलब जो लेगा. तो फिनाइल ग्रुप जो होता है वो इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप होता है. तो क्या होगा? ड्यू टू दिस it will increase the electronegativity on oxygen. That is why the removal of this particular hydrogen will be very easy. तो सबसे पहले H plus ion कौन देगा? Phenol देगा. So it will be more acidic in a nature. So this is what you all need to understand, and this particular question can be asked in the board exam for 2 marks. I hope that you have understood the particular acidic character of the alcohols and phenols. Okay, thank you.